Here I have INFINIX Hot 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to change picture size in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, then go to the picture size, and here you basically can change picture size. You have this 4000 on 80, 4080 on 3060 size. You have 2944 on 2944 and 3936 on 1728. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.